My request had to play most of the parts of Losing My Religion by R.E.M. on guitar. Hope you enjoy this video. Remember to like and subscribe. So the intro starts on a D, 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 A, F chord, D, E, D, A minor, and repeats. And it goes into the G, A, life is bigger. E minor again. I've said too much. D minor. G. That's me in the corner. A minor. That's me in the street. Losing my religion. Trying to keep up with you. Can do it. Oh no, I've said too much. I haven't said enough. And then it goes into the next part. I thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I heard you. And then it goes into the next part. It goes into that was just a dream. That was just a dream, just a dream. Ending. Keep the music coming. See you in the next video. Hope that helped. Bye.